Our customers care about healthy, clean rivers, and so do we. That's why we're moving further and faster and are making progress on our £450 million accelerated investment programme to help create healthier rivers. By the end of December 2024, 900 locations will have new solutions in place that will see spills from active overflows reduced by 20% across the Midlands. And here's an example of how we're doing it.
Hi, I'm Mark Darby. I'm an improvement lead in our wastewater recycling team here at Severn Trent. I've been at Severn Trent for 17 years and I'm here today at Hurley Sewage Treatment Works in Atherstone in Warwickshire. We have installed 2 additional storm tanks on this site that will hold 140,000 litres of storm sewage. This allows us to capture additional storm flows, hold them until the storm event has finished, and then we can return them and treat them back through our sewage treatment works. These additional tanks are more than doubling our storm storage here on this site, really helping us to drive down the frequency of spills and the volume of spill that we get going into the local river. It's really important that we do this, and it's really helping us to drive down and improve the river quality in Warwickshire and across Severn Trent.
Overflows are designed to protect homes and businesses from flooding during heavy rainfall. However, we want to do more to reduce their use and impact, and the new solutions will see a reduction in spills by 20% this year from active storm overflows.